See, the next point is switch statement in C sharp. In C sharp, switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. In C sharp, switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. It provides an efficient way to transfer the execution to different parts of a code based on the value of the expression. The switch expression is of integer type such as int, char, byte or short, or of enumeration type or of string type. The expression is checked for different cases and the one match is executed. See the syntax of switch statement. Switch expression, open the curly case value 1 colon, break case value to break up to case value n, then break statement default, close the curly. See the flowchart of case start, switch conditional expression, case condition 1. If case 1 is true, then go to the statement 1 break. If case 1 is false, then go to the case 2. Then case 2 is a true, then go to the statement true. Then case 2 is a false, then go to the up to condition n. If condition in n is true, then go to the statement n. If condition n is false, then go to the default statement, then statement just below switch case exit. See the points. In C sharp, duplicate case values are not allowed. In C sharp, duplicate case values are not allowed. The data type of the variable in the switch and value of a case must be of the same type. The data type of the variable in the switch and value of a case must be of the same type. The value of a case must be a constant or a literal. Variables are not allowed. See the next. The break in switch statement is used to terminate the current sequence. The break in switch statement is used to terminate the current sequence. See, multiple default statements are not allowed. Multiple default statements are not allowed. See the example. Using system namespace conditional. Namespace conditional, open the curly class switch case. Class switch case, open the curly, public static void main. Public static void main string arguments, then open the curly, character ch. Ch is a variable, character is a data type. Then see the print the line, console.writeLine in bracket, enter an alphabet. Ch is equal to convert to char console.readLine. Readline is a use for reading the line. Switch char dot to lower ch. See the condition. Case A, console.writeLine oval break. Case E, console.writeLine oval break. Case I, console.writeLine oval break. Case O, console.writeLine oval break. Case U, console.writeLine oval break. Default console.writeLine not a oval break. See the output of that program. Enter an alphabet X, not a oval.